Which Loki toy figurine to add into your collection? Make your choice after we unbox the Loki and President Loki from these 3 brands. These are the 3 different brands. Funko versus Hot Toys versus QPosket. Plus a mystery. Let's start with Funko Loki. This is Classic Loki 4 inches Funko Pop. Loki is known to be the god of mischief. He is wearing a smart outfit with TVA, Time Variance Authority symbol on the jacket. The word variant is at the back of his jacket. Take a closer look at the buckle of the belt. It has the TVA logo and Loki's necktie is similar to the design on screen. Next, let's unbox Classic Loki from Hot Toys Cosbaby. TVA metal badge is included in this box. Let's check it out. Take a look at this specially crafted TVA themed metal badge. It's a pin that you can pin it on your jacket too. It comes with a base with Loki logo printed on it. Loki is also holding the temp pads devices used by the Time Variance Authority to do their missions. Hot Toys also printed the word variant at the back of the jacket. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. Let's move on to QPosket. It's by Banpresto. QPosket Loki Volume 3. Let's check out the figurine. The figurine is nicely sealed individually into 3 parts. The body, head and base stand. Have to assemble them accordingly. This Loki by QPosket is taller than the Loki by Funko and Hot Toys Cosbaby. He also has the word variant printed on his jacket. Here's the Funko vs Hot Toys vs QPosket. Let's start with the style. Funko Loki figurines posing style with both his hands in the pocket. Hot Toys Loki figurine is holding a temp pad device and the other hand on his pocket. QPosket Loki figurine has one hand in the pocket and the other on his jacket. Take a closer look out at the outfit for these 3 Classic Loki. Do a comparison on the necktie, belt buckle, TVA badge symbol on the jacket. Which Classic Loki do you like? Funko, Hot Toys, QPosket? Leave in the comment below. Next, let's unbox President Loki. Remember to watch till the end to find out what is the mystery review. Unboxing Funko number 898 President Loki. Nicely packed in the 4 inches Funko Pop. This Funko figurine comes with a pop stand base. The iconic horned helmet is in metallic golden tone. Interesting detail of the President outfit, with the President badge and torn sleeves. In addition, Funko has included a grey sock and torn pants on the figurine. It's amazing. Next, unboxing Hot Toys Cosbaby President Loki. An embroidered patch is included in this box. Check out the embroidered TVA iron-on patch. The stand base has Loki logo on it, attaching the figurine to the base. The outfit is very detailed too. The President badge is in 3D. Beautiful horned helmet. The President suit has more wear and tears in comparison to Funko figurine. Hot Toys figurine has included white socks and Funko figurine is in grey. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. Next up, QPosket President Loki by Banpresto. QPosket Volume 3. Similar as the Classic Loki QPosket, the figurine are sealed nicely into 3 parts and has to be assembled accordingly. Surprisingly, QPosket figurine is missing out the wear and tear on the President outfit. Loki's pants is in perfect condition, missing the details of the torn pants and socks. Don't miss the mystery review coming up shortly. Here's a quick comparison of President Loki's horned helmet. Which Loki eyes do you like the most? President Loki's mouth comparison across the 3 brands. Funko crossed arm. Hot Toys open arm. QPosket tuck in pocket and jacket. Funko with torn pants and grey sock. Hot Toys with torn pants and off-white sock. QPosket pant not torn and no sock. Funko slight tear on jacket. Hot Toys more torn and tear on jacket. QPosket no tear at all. Which side view of the figurine do you like the most? Leave in the comment below. Who would you rank first, second and third position among the 3 different Loki? Leave in the comment below, we love to hear from you. Mystery reveal now. It's Sylvie from Funko and Hot Toys. Sylvie is an alternate version of Loki who helps him fight to overthrow the Time Variant's authority in Loki. Funko Sylvie glows in the dark. Unboxing Hot Toys Cosbaby Sylvie. Hot Toys Sylvie's sword is in blue color and Funko Sylvie's sword is in green glow in the dark. Which Loki and Sylvie do you like? Leave in the comment below, we love to hear from you. Smash the like and subscribe button. Till then, happy toy collecting.